Are you tired of spending hours creating your resume? Let me show you something amazing, a free tool that makes professional resumes in just seconds. First, open any browser and type Tuner Templates in the search bar. Then click on Tuner Template Home. There you will see our official website's user interface. From the navigation menu at the top, you'll find several options. Click on the one that says Resume Generator. Welcome to my Resume Generator project. Here are 6 resume templates. Number 1, Modern Template. See the changes in the live preview instantly. Second, Professional Template. Third, Classic Template. Fourth, Creative Template. Fifth, Compact Template. Sixth, Executive Template. There are 12 color themes in the style settings. There are 12 types of font families. You can add and delete personal info, summary, experience, education, skills, projects as you like. Now I am posting my info in my personal info along with the demo image. Similarly, now I am displaying a summary of my work in my summary info. Similarly, now I am sharing my experience, my work experience info. Now I will give my education information. Again, I will give my skills information. I will add all the information about my latest work project. After that, I will scroll up a bit and click on Portfolio View to see my total info. Then I will click the Export button and download the PDF. Try it yourself at tuner.com/resume-generator. It's completely free, just open and create. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more.